Alright, in this video I'm going to go over a very powerful technical analysis strategy. Now just remember, when I say strategy, I mean this is a technical strategy. So I'm showing you how to strategize what you are seeing on the chart, not necessarily a full trading strategy with risk management and all of those other things included, multiple confluences, things like that. This is just a basic technical strategy that you can apply to your own trading style. Okay, I've said strategy in previous videos, and I just want to emphasize, when I'm talking about a technical strategy, I'm talking about to strategize what you are seeing in front of you, not a full strategy with risk management and multiple confluences included. Just wanted to get that out the way first. So what I'm going to be showing you here is a very powerful technical strategy that can help you in your trading. This is, in my opinion, the most powerful technical way to trade, okay? And it is through the use of flat support and resistance and breakouts and retests. And it is the break and retest strategy, and I'm going to show you how you can look at trading this profitably. Okay, so first thing we need to identify is the trend or the market structure. We are in a downward trend with downward market structure. We are only looking for sells. What we're looking for in a downtrend is for the lows to get taken out and retested before continuing to fall. So a textbook break and retest would look something like this. Let me just I'll get a rectangle over here. Alright, so this is the low that price made. We're getting a pullback now. We're waiting for price to break the low and retest it. So this would be the low, and as you can see, price went to it, gave a bearish candle signal over there, and then gave a second bearish candle signal. We had a pin, a bearish engulfing. I mean, I probably would have entered after this first one, but you could have entered after the second one. As you can see, price continues to fall. Okay, the next break and retest that we can see happens right over here. Here's the low. Okay, and as you can see, the low gets taken out, retested, continues to fall. Let's look for the next one that we can see that happened. This might have been one, but I won't call that one because it's not nice enough for my liking. Neither is that. Let's see if anything happened here. So move this over. Alright, so as you can see, when we finally got a break of this area, we had a test, a second test, a break, a retest, double top, bearish engulfing over here, and a collapse. So that is a very basic, quick explanation of what it is to trade a break and retest. You're looking for the trend or the market structure. You're only trading in that direction, and you're waiting for flat support. If you're selling, you're waiting for support levels to be broken so they can retest and continue their fall. If you're looking to buy in an upward market structure, you're looking for resistance to be broken and retested before going higher. So I hope this video helped you in some way. If it did, please give it a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and we will link in our description below to our website if you're interested in learning how to trade Forex properly.